say hi and say thank you. Thank you. The vlog. Say thank you, Georgie, and
Hi.
tara, pupunta tayo sa ADIPEC, the world largest energy conference or event. Ito yung ADIPEC, Abu Dhabi International Petroleum Exhibition Conference. Samahan niyo muli kami, guys. Kasama ko ang mga colleagues ko sa araw na ito. Tara, guys. So,
In drilling and completions, deploying cutting-edge technologies is setting new benchmarks in performance as we innovatively...
And you go near it. And you go near it. Now why are you so scared? He's on the other side.
At our sites, from robotics to remote operations, we will harness AI in real time to strengthen our position.
grabe, napaka-high-tech na
In
talaga na ginagawa.
sustainability, our electrification mega project will help decarbonize our operations. And ADNOC's 5G network will accelerate the rollout of digital solutions.
Pero ito, sinisilip ni Georgie kung may TV may screen sa likod.
In maintenance,
Lumipat kami ng ibang booth. Iba't ibang booth, guys, ang nandito, iba't ibang country. So, nandito naman tayo sa AI ng ADNOC. Ito Abu Dhabi National Oil Company. Parang sila yung host this year. Every year, guys, merong ADIPEC. Every year na ginaganap dito. Malapit lang ito sa trabaho namin, kaya may pagkakataon na pupunta kami. Made in Germany na. Belgium. We're already in Belgium. And we're past Germany. China. Singapore. Germany.
Singapore.
Yeah, Singapore.
China again.
There is no Thailand. Thailand boy. OMG, what is this? Safwan?
This is a pipe.
No, it's not pipe.
It's a pipe for drilling.
No, this is canyon. Remote control for fighting.
Yan ang ginamit nila dun sa bangka natin.
Singapore. So like Singapore, Germany, Belgium, India is there.
Where?
There, last India. There. I saw it. Germany, Abu Dhabi, China. There's India is there. Hello guys, please don't forget to subscribe.
And you will do a voiceover later, right?
Yeah.
This is not the real voiceover.
No, this is the real.
Oh yeah.
If there is a voice, no need to voice over. Malaysia. Where's my Philippines? Nothing?
Philippines is not into
G, what is that?
this industry now.
Yeah, G, what is that? G20? Philippines is not in G20.
It's not G20, it's ADIPEC.
This is Malaysia. This is India. So yung mga product nila na mga high-tech, mga trade. Malaysia pala to. No? Oo nga. May Singapore din. Wala.
Ano pa pag ito nila sa Pinas?
Wala.
It's look like aquarium.
Ito, Saudi Arabia. Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Grabe ang ganda. Energy for opportunity.
تواصل مع عبد العزيز
Yeah.
Sorry, let me take a picture.
Nasa Amerika na kami. Armando, tara na daw. Okay guys, we're going back na sa office. Say hi and say thank you. Thank you. The vlog. Say thank you, Georgie, and hi. Hi. Palabas na kami. Yung kami lalabas sa likod.
Balik na kami sa office guys. Dito na kami sa labas. Grabe, ang daming booth, ang daming display. Hindi na namin naikot lahat. Lalo na may trabaho. Actually, lumabas lang kami ng sandali. Grabe, nakakapagod din. So ayan, yung makasama ko. Deji, Dilmi, say hi.
Yeah, now it's on. Safwan, now it's on. Say something. Safwan. Safwanji. Now it's on. Yan yung office namin. Yung yellow.